You can easily stuck in Instagram for a very long time. But how can you limit the usage of Instagram? So let me show you how. First of all, you go to your profile, click on the 3 lines at the top, click on it, go to your activity, click on it, then you scroll down. You should be able to see here time spent. Just click on it. So you can see there's a few options that you can use. One is set a reminder to take breaks. For example, you can take like every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So once you spend 10 minutes, then they will ask you to break. Okay? So for example, if I want to set 20 minutes, turn on. And then you can set daily time limit as well. Click on it. And for example, if you want to set the maximum time you can be on Instagram, it's just 45 minutes. So you can just click done. And after that, you will just ask to stop, to close the app. Then you can even choose which notification that you want so that you don't receive all the notification. Usually I just put pause all so that I don't receive any notification, but it all depends on you. So yeah, this is how you can just set your daily time limit. You can limit your usage on Instagram so that you don't stuck in the Instagram rabbit hole. See you in my next video. Goodbye.